Good Tuesday morning to you. All right, so now that you've shaken off the cobwebs of Monday and you are fully into the week and everything that needs to be done for your week, enjoy. That's that. Relax and enjoy it. Everything will get done. Who am I? I am Kitti Andrews with Fluent and Fabulous, helping you to elevate your English the fun and easy way, because if it is fun, and I certainly know how to crack a few jokes, if it is fun, you are more likely to want to do it. And if it's easy, then it doesn't feel as overwhelming, correct? We bring you one word per day so that, again, no overwhelm. And these words all come from the Barron's 600 essential words that you need to know to score well for your IELTS exam or any social situation or work situation that you come across. So let's look at today's word. I believe it's a nice easy one. I think this is a nice easy week, actually. Nice easy one for today anyway, and it's a long word, so hang with me here. The word is kinesthetic. Kinesthetic. And it is an adjective, meaning it's describing a thing. It's a thing. And it means related to activity using the body. Related to activity using the body. And that seems kind of vague. It seems kind of out there. Well, what does that really mean? And I had trouble getting a good definition that would really show this, but I think you'll like this one. Kinesthetic learners do well with hands-on activities. Now, there are three different kinds of learners. There's the visual learner, which I am. There's the audio learner, meaning you learn by listening to things. And the kinesthetic learner, which I'm a little bit of. And what happens is they really do better. They do better with hands-on activity. In other words, children in classrooms, these kids are the ones that that you want to sit them down at a table with things to do with their hands and give them something to explore with their hands and really get into it. That is kinesthetic. If you have any questions about today's word or any of the words that we bring to you, please drop me a line. I'm always open to chat. And if you'd like to learn more about how we help impatient learners to go further, faster in their English or beginner French as well, then let's also have a conversation. Okay? Have a terrific Tuesday. And go ahead, be fluent and fabulous. Bye for now.